Howdy there. Good morning. Good morning. Time to get ready for the day. Okay, my rule is I have to start my day like rooted in Jesus. That's just my take. Like if I start my day like with stupid thinking, my whole day will probably be stupid thinking. So I try to start with Jesus. Today we are going down to the city, suburbs. I don't work in the city. Like we have the city of Sacramento, and then we have the suburbs where I grew up, and now we live kind of in the mountains, like an hour away. So it's just a quick drop down to the city, and I'm adding Dutch Bros on the trip to break it up. So today's goals, while I have to be there for the fire inspection, is to pack up more of my craft supplies. Upstairs, live stream. Downstairs, packing and shipping. Yes, it's super cute for live videos and all the things, but I don't care. Like, I have to utilize it for what it's worth. It would be beneficial to set up downstairs in the studio as a complete packaging and shipping room. Actually creating revenue with what we're doing over there, because we're going to be productive. Do we have any meetings today? I do have therapy, but we moved it to a Zoom session, because both Dustin and I and Briley are all going down to the city today, which is not common, and we are going to all have to be there for like 5 or 6 hours minimum. So we were like, but if we had to go to therapy, we probably would have been down here for like 10 hours today. And so nobody is home with the animals. And that's what makes me not want chickens. Like, I'm a city girl living in the mountains. I gotta stay home to take care of my chickens. I can't go on a vacation anymore, because I gotta hunker down and rebuild this business that I built 12 years ago. Okay, bye. Welcome to the studio. Sometimes I forget how I left it. It's pretty clean. And I started setting up the shipping area kind of and moving it this way, and then my craft supplies are all this way. So my thoughts are I move these 2 tables that are great for shipping back to the middle and make that kind of like a shipping station, and putting shipping supplies in there as well. The thing that is full of my craft supplies is the Scrapbox. And because I don't want to move this or store it, don't know that I want an entire Scrapbox right now until I have a space to put it in. So I may empty it and I may try to sell it or something, but all the craft supplies are coming out of it because that's strictly craft supplies. This is like a live table on wheels, so I'll probably keep this like out of the way. And then if I need to do like a live or film a video, I have this to work on. But then everything else in here, shipping. I'm even turning my pegboard into like a shipping pegboard, so it has like tape and I don't know, all of our shipping stuff. So out in the warehouse, I have one little corner that I still have. Tiff rents the whole warehouse out there. Runs an eBay business that my uncle passed away, but she still, like, my whole family still keeps it going, and she runs the eBay portion of it. So they rent that part of the warehouse to do that, and it's completely different. Like, it's crazy. It's all e-waste stuff, but I still have a corner, and it's pretty full of like filming supplies and stuff like that. Unfinished craft room that I don't want to deal with today. That's a lot of shipping stuff too. So I think I'm just gonna like work on this space down. I'm gonna get all my craft stuff packaged and ready to go by the front door, and then set this space up. I've already got like shipping boxes down here. Write this down. Remember, that's what we talked about, writing it down. I also just realized once this is gone, which I could like fold it all up once it's empty and like move it, I can use this wall again for another like workstation. Tables I'm putting in the middle do not roll, so once those are there, they're there, but I've had them there before and I like them there. It's a really good workspace. watching Monica Razak. I'm sure she says her name. This is my first time ever watching her. Love. It's called First Day as a Full-Time Entrepreneur, Small Business Owner. She's a boss. Okay. I'm literally doing the opposite of what I was supposed to do when I first got this, which was show everyone how I take all my craft supplies and put it into this thing. I'm literally taking all my craft supplies out and taking it out, except it's had my craft supplies in it for like 5 years. So they're surprisingly very organized, which means I didn't use a lot of them. I pulled some stuff out that I think would make really fun kits or craft events that I could like put into our event stuff. Majority of all of this was paint, glitter, paint and glitter, honestly. So much. All the glitter into 4 boxes. So I think those will look really cute on the shelves. I'm like making a pile of all the things that are really great craft supplies that I'm probably never gonna use. Making a sell pile, and then a donation pile. Made some progress, definitely. I'm gonna just make sure that this gets finished, cleaned out. Okay, the fire inspector came and I have an hour before I have to go live. So I'm gonna go grab some lunch because I'm doing really good at keto. And if I get hungry during my live, and I go and I get something easy and convenient. So while I'm kind of hungry, I am gonna go to Hawaiian Ono and get chicken and salad because that sounds delicious. So my live, because I've been filming with you guys all day, my battery is a little low. I think I'll be okay. But I just got this super cute message from my niece. I'm gonna put it in here. I hope she doesn't mind.
I did it! I can travel the world. Look at this goofy little picture. Why do I make such weird faces? I'm gonna be a traveling girl.
We can travel now. So my niece has not had her passport, and hurry up, lady. We are gonna travel and do things so much, hopefully. I haven't even asked her if she wants to go to Africa, but I was gonna see if maybe that would be something she'd be interested in. Okay, so we're about to go live. This is the room that I use for Bling and Blabber, for so many things. The lighting is just nice in here. It's cozy in here. Obviously that says 2022. It's a little, the decor in the back is a little outdated. So all my bling is up here, and that's another craft supply I want to consolidate to take home, so we can start blinging when it's like snowing. It's crazy because it's the end of January and it has not started snowing yet, and I have like all these plans when it snows to like lock in, hunker down, edit videos, bling crafts, sew, hand embroider, all these things. And it's just like sunny. So that's why I'm like, while it is sunny all week, let's organize and feel like it's spring. Let's pretend like it's spring. Oh, it's like 65 degrees out right now, so it's pretty much spring. Okay, I gotta go live. I'll see you guys after the live, or maybe I saw you in the live. Maybe early. Oh, also, Hawaiian Ono, thanks a lot. I spilled. All the little things organized into one of those. Makes me just feel like, wow, I was wasting a lot of space. But now I have to put the shelves back in. These are all like actual, like this is all stamping. This is all glue. This is all tape. So now these I'm gonna put into boxes to go. Hope. Even all of the jars, got it all out.
What?
We're on our way to
Marriage Conference Day 2.
We're stuck at the train.
It's called Marriage Time.
But we're sitting here arguing over train facts.
That neither of us have any clue about.
No, my mind, trains are stuck in like the original train system where somebody sits and pulls the lever to switch the train on to different tracks. Dustin thinks that's automated. I also think
it's
trains...
2025.
I also think...
Look at all these semis going past us.
I also think trains are still ran by steam and coal, and he said no, that's diesel. So,
diesel.
oh, there's the end.
All right.
All right. See y'all at the marriage conference.
Let's go.